as soul assumes the human body, it takes up the thread of spiritual evolution of its previous human birth and continues to evolve towards self-knowledge. The fourth cause is for those who are extremely bad in their thoughts and actions. They are reborn again and again as insignificant creatures. Mosquitoes and fleas. Eventually, after the expiation of their evil actions, they do return to human bodies on earth. The so-called fourth course is those who have lived too long and lived their life doing bad. Not just for their action, but also with the way they are thinking. They think badly and act badly that exceed the limit that cause of losing their reason to think positively and to think properly. They live a bad life, and when they die, they will be resurrected, but without any values or precious creatures, like mosquitoes and fleas. This is the result of their bad deeds and bad way of thinking. But when they are granted for unforgiveness, after the bad act they do, their soul will be returned to the human body.